most of the schools didn't come. So those who didn't come, what do you have to tell them?
I want to encourage them that they should come because the program is very good.
Thank you very much. AYIM Media, any Graceland consult, the Mentorship and Guidance Seminar, yeah, they share so no. And then I'm yadum, they are guswa, air cost gidi. Nimbum, the person tina no kasaka kra. His Royal Majesty, or has it in Nana, Yamaquaba, the kind about Graceland consult, Mentorship and Guidance Seminar.
Patronum.
Nana na mepacho program yi uhuni sen na den na wo a obetima akafa program no kakra
Yo me dase bebre anka me adwen dia aka me ansaka na otwumi ni bia yenye baako etrese ebie ni pani mi wo ho de omo makasa especially nurses for no omo kire ma no sedia esi dia ahudisem bra mabu amsa no supem etrese
Graceland consult any AYIM Media event I dey share so no na me adom yenya aho bi wa ha say a omo be so yasen dey kan omo be mu din any baby omo free na ya hwe madam bacho ye fro say
medicine bacho ye from me man Sandakwa Ghana Education Service Denkyembour
bacho opposition ho ye ba ne be hwe wa be dey hu
bacho yo me a school health education program coordinator short SHEP.
That's it. Madam Nampacho also.
I'm Edem Agbemadu. I'm in charge of girls education. I'm also from the Denkyembour District Education Office.
That's it, Madam. Madam Nampacho also.
You, that's it. From Sylvia Fojo. I'm so more Denkyembour District Guidance and Counseling Coordinator.
Yeah, that was it. Madam Nampacho.
Acho me that's Acho your friend me Mrs. Gladys Kunto, Early Childhood Education Coordinator Denkyembour.
Madam Gladys said that we na say some aba na ma be Grace your program bi amaye. Madam Madam who say we do program this so and I don't ever expect through her.
Thank you very much. It's a great opportunity granted me to witness this special program. In fact, yes, my name is there. And I'm supposed to talk on the title Determination and something brief about guidance and counseling. I know with this topic, our children, especially those who are ready for BEC this year, will do better.
Its benefits are children.
Mentorship and Guidance Seminar no. Ye dia be director so aba bekasa.